was a paradise. That's what I thought about. Not only was the weather great, but there was a feeling of freedom and the ability to live out your dreams and become whatever you want. In fact, I started a business, I think Sean knows this, out of a studio apartment that became very successful, where there have been many gangs or homeless people. I don't remember. Maybe there were some gangs, I'm sure. I don't remember seeing homeless people. But it certainly wasn't pervasive. Certainly no homeless tent under the freeways or any worries about going out late at night in my neighborhood. Now I do. Now I gotta be careful. And the schools, for the most part, were relatively safe where learning took place. And they had a public college system, as it was known to rival any in America. It was the place where Ronald Reagan became governor, and we had some senators from both parties with some integrity. And as I said, where Bruce Hurston said, homeless became senator. By the way, you should know the inside stuff. I became like his main spokesperson in that campaign, and Bruce was neck and neck until George Bush I abandoned California and the election of president, and then they had tons of money poured in for Barbara Boxer. I shouldn't even mention her name. But all of that has changed now in California. So many people have left the state that are Republicans couldn't win for dog catcher. John, we love dogs, so that'd be an important office. It was not like it is now in one part of the state. There are no Republicans in office in the state. And locally, if there's an R next to your name, you are done for with few exceptions. Even a tech executive, I'm sure you heard that, is not safe in the battle parts of San Francisco. And any crime committed, you probably know this, if you commit a crime under $950, it goes down as a misdemeanor unless your name is Donald Trump. So, what have they done? They're not stupid. They get these young kids and all that. They go to the stores, rob, and then they pay them on the outside. That's all a misdemeanor if they even catch them. So, then if crime is a felony above that, that's ridiculous. So many times the closing of shop relates to Whole Foods in San Francisco. That's just the latest. And I watched someone steal something from my local store, and the private policeman they had on duty could just kind of harass them a little, but they let him go. Nothing they could do. It is truly an example of what the left can do to a once great place. And people like Gavin Newsom are so delusional that they can run for president on he claims on his outstanding record of success. And even worse, lecture other politicians on how to do it right. Sean, let's go with that commercial. I'm ready for
can't solve a problem without first identifying it. The problem in our country right now, authoritarian leaders are so hell-bent on gaining power and keeping it by whatever means necessary that they're directly attacking our freedoms in state after state.
Can you hold it just for a second so I don't forget? He's talking about himself. He's so delusional. They, closed down the schools, basically. Businesses, tons of businesses went out of power. He eats in a restaurant like the elite that is, without a mask. I think it's his cousin, Nancy Pelosi. She gets haircuts in beauty salons when no one was supposed to do that, certainly unmasked. Who's he saying? That God is the one that seeks power at any cost? This commercial show, it's going around the country now, shows what they think. Go ahead, Sean.
The campaign for democracy. We're going on the road to take the fight to states where freedom is most under attack, where Republican leaders ban books, criminalize doctors, fire teachers, intimidate librarians, kidnap migrants, target trans kids, stoke racism, condone anti-Semitism, force the victims of rape and incest to carry their attacker's baby, where they ignore the will of the people. They make it harder to vote and easier to buy assault weapons. They fan the flames of culture wars to distract from the fact that blue states have lower murder rates, better healthcare outcomes, and higher GDPs. We're going to these states and investing in people and organizations where they're fighting back. We know we have a big battle coming, which is why we'll help lead the fight to make sure we elect leaders in 2024 who believe in democracy.
Is he kidding? Did I just hear? Does the left accuse everything of us that they do? Unbelievable. Let me know what you think. Live Prayer 776 Mark Eisler for Dennis Prager.
The Dennis Prager Show, live from the Relief Factor Pain-Free Studio.
Hey traders, listen up. With inflation, interest rates, and the recent banking crisis, are you nervous about what's coming next in the stock market? If you're ready to take control of your trading and predict trends instead of reacting to them, then Vantage Point is for you. Did you know Vantage Point predicted the trends of all the collapsing banks weeks in advance? Vantage Point's artificial intelligence technology analyzes massive amounts of market data in seconds, so you can predict future trends with up to 87.4% proven accuracy. Instead of using lagging indicators to make bad decisions, with Vantage Point you can forecast market trends days ahead for better trade selection. Learn how when you text DEMO to 813-813 for a free live class. Are you ready to take control? Text the word DEMO to 813-813 and learn more today.
Trading involves financial risk and is not suitable for all investors. By texting, you agree to the terms available at VantagePointSoftware.com and consent to receive calls and texts using automated technology about offers or info by or on behalf of Vantage Point. Your consent is not a condition to purchase and can be revoked at any time. Message and data rate may apply.
Text DEMO to 813-813.
Did you know you might have someone special in your life that lowers your blood pressure, cortisol level, and risk of depression and other stress-induced issues? Your loving dog does this and more. Why not ensure your pup is as healthy as possible? I'm Dr. Dennis Black. Spread the truth about dog food. Dog food is usually dead food. That's why Dr. Black created Rough Greens, a natural supplement added to your dog's food, bringing it to life. Sue and I sprinkle Rough Greens over Otto and Snoopy's food, and they gobble it up. They love Rough Greens. Your dog's low energy, itching, bad breath, and digestive problems can be solved. Just add Rough Greens, the right vitamins and minerals, digestive enzymes, probiotics, and omega oils, which could change your dog's life. Dr. Black is so confident Rough Greens will help. He's offering a free Jumpstart trial bag. Just handle shipping. Only at roughgreens.com/Dennis. Give back to your loyal friend at ruffgreens.com/Dennis.
Dad, why do your toenails look like that?
Hey, it's James. And if you're like me and suffer from toenail fungus, please pay close attention. Let's face it, toe fungus is embarrassing. I was afraid to take my socks off and hid my ugly toes from everybody. But nail fungus isn't just a cosmetic problem. It can also be dangerous. Even a small spot can spread and get worse. But no matter what I tried, it seemed like my fungus would never go away. Then I discovered Crystal Flush, the new and different FDA-registered at-home treatment. This unique two-step system flushes out fungus at its source and reverses damaged nails. Finally, me and thousands of others are free from fungus, and you can be too. A limited time you can try Crystal Flush risk-free for 30 days. Call 800-354-1862. That's 800-354-1862. Eliminate your toe fungus once and for all, guaranteed. Call now, 800-354-1862, or visit crystalflush.com.
Is God obsolete?
Do you think religion is good for the world?
It only causes troubles and war.
Our culture is shifting ever closer to or irreligion. Today, the fastest growing religion is no religion at all.
Our fight in this world is not against Islam, it's against religion.
This is Kevin Sorbo. In an MOE irreligious nation, my family and I traveled to Israel to explore our faith and examine how lack of religion, disconnection, and cynicism affects culture and society worldwide.
Should we be paying any attention to faith? Is faith important? If God exists, is he even relevant today?
Is it really objective truth, or is it true to say everyone has their own truth?
Why are we losing our religion? You may need to read the Bible, but I know right from wrong.
These people who say, I don't need faith, I can be a good person. Can they?
Does religion even matter? Watch Irreligious Nation at SalemNow.com. SalemNow.com.
I think you should know today. I don't think you realize what you've done for me. Oh, I don't think you realize.
From Roman society until today, U.S. Senator Josh Hawley says a republic depends on masculine virtues in his groundbreaking book, Manhood, new from Gregory Publishing.
Mark Eisler for Dennis Prager, and I'll get your calls. And there's nothing like flattering the host, because I see the screen wrote down, loves me. I wasn't going to go to your call, but it says loves me, so if you're not a relative, I want to find out who you are. Mark, I don't even see a name. I want to make sure I get to the person. Sean, you see that line?